Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aquarius, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. Aquarius, we are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, Aquarius. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation. If you want more clarity, Aquarius, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy. So let's start with these cards here, guys. We have King of Earth, Call and Messenger of Fire. So with these cards, guys, Aquarius, in your situation today, it may be in your career situation or it may be in your relationship. You are someone who has that confidence and you have a great determination, that strong will, and you have dreams for yourself and you have goals you need to achieve, and you have a clear vision about the path you need to take up today, guys. And you are someone who is confident and strong, courageous. So you are making the efforts whatever is needed in your situation, and you are proceeding in a positive way in your situation. And maybe for some of you Aquarius, I see that you are in an important position in life. You are someone with power and authority, holding an important place. Maybe you are making important decisions today. So some kind of you are a very knowledgeable, experienced person, and you know what is the right decision each and every time. So that may be the reason people come to you for some kind of guidance, some kind of help they need. And you are someone who knows the right things to do, and you are someone really honest, and whatever actions you take up, it is based on your honest intentions that you have in you, guys. And you do not do anything without a reason. So you are someone who does the right actions at the right time. So you are a very skilled and talented person, and today you are reaching that true prosperity and success in your situation, guys. Aquarius, it may be in your career or it may be in your personal life. In this relationship, you are tasting success and fortunate things are happening in your life today, guys. Aquarius, so let's see what is the card for your relationship first. We have 10 of Earth. So with this card, guys, it just means that you are happy, content with this person. You have a beautiful understanding, and maybe for some of you, you are you are moving towards marriage, or you are planning to get married. Some positive changes or positive things are happening in this relationship, guys, for you all. And you are someone who has huge dreams and goals, and you are working towards that in this relationship. Maybe you want to get married to this person, so you are doing everything right in your career, maybe settling things. You want to settle your career situation, then move on to marriage. So you are making lot of efforts, guys. Aquarius, that is what I see, guys. Let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is Page of Water. So with this card, guys, it just means that in your situation, career today, you are optimistic and cheerful, things are going in a very positive way, and you are clear, open about your situation. You have a clear communication with the people you work with. So that may be the reason for things going in a positive way, guys. And it is all something like an adventure for you in your career situation, guys, Aquarius. So that is the reading with these cards, guys. If you want more clarity, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card. I will keep this card aside. So we'll see what it is. We have the Wood Maiden, Trust. That is the card, guys. So with this card, it just means that in your situation, whatever is happening to you today, whatever is unfolding, you need to trust that. Trust in the moment. Maybe certain things may look unreal. Maybe people are gifting you, or the experience you have, it may look like something magical, and you cannot trust yourself for the things that are coming towards you, guys. And you need to be really careful with whom you share your gifts today. Maybe you are in a wonderful situation, but you need to share it with people only whom you trust, guys, on whom you have that total trust. Because maybe some people, they may just they may not believe you, but some of them, they may just try to rob you of your opportunities. So this is the time to believe in what is happening to you in your situation. Maybe some unbelievable changes are happening in this relationship, in this love. So whatever gifts or whatever blessings that you are getting today, you need to hold on to it, cherish that moment and be happy for how things are going today, guys. And even smallest things can bring great happiness in your situation, guys. So if you are content, if you have that contentment in your heart, even the smallest of blessing is going to fill you with happiness and emotional satisfaction. So that is the energy. And whatever good things that you did, maybe your good nature or your hard work, whatever it is going to bring you great rewards. That is also the energy with this card, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys. So let's see what is the second card for those who chose this card. Let's see what is the card. It is Cherish Innocence. So with this card, guys, it just means that you should not make if you are in the verge of making some important decisions today, this may not be the right time. Maybe this is the time for you to be cheerful, have that innocence in your heart, and face your situation with less fear and more wonder. Act like a child, guys. And we should not take anything too seriously. When you are happy and when you are cheerful, just like a child, you are going to let yourself enjoy the simplest things that you are facing today. And you are going to feel light, less responsible and less burdened today. And maybe you are going to simply feel so much better if you are able to go out, enjoy a little with this person you love, Allow yourself to laugh and see your situation. Just enjoy, have fun with friends or family or with this person you love, and your situation is going to change magically, guys. So you are going to feel happy, and you are going to cherish that inner child each and every one of us have. So when we go for this childlike pleasures, it is simply going to help us heal and rejuvenate, feel rejuvenated, feel fresh, so we can take on our situation more strongly, guys. So for those who chose this card, that is the energy with this card, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.